Unpacking the phrase, I'm wary. Hey there, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll delve into a common English phrase that you might have heard or come across, I'm wary. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also how and when to use it. To begin with, let's look at the word wary. In English, the word wary describes a feeling of caution or concern about possible dangers or problems. It means that someone is careful because they think something might be dangerous or harmful. For example, I'm wary of walking alone at night. She is wary about sharing her personal information online. Now, when someone says, I'm wary, they're expressing a personal feeling of caution or doubt about something. It's a short way of telling someone that they're on guard or being careful about a particular situation or thing. For instance, I'm wary of signing this contract without reading it. He said it's a great investment, but I'm wary. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal situations. Let's look at some more examples to understand how this phrase can be incorporated into daily conversations. 1. Although the food smells delicious, I'm wary of trying dishes I'm unfamiliar with. 2. After her previous experiences, she said, I'm wary of trusting people easily. 3. The offer sounds too good to be true. Honestly, I'm wary. These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of contexts to express caution or concern. Understanding phrases like, I'm wary, helps in grasping the nuances of the English language. It's a useful phrase to convey caution or skepticism. And now that you know its meaning and usage, you can confidently use it in your conversations. We hope this video was informative and that you'll continue to explore the fascinating world of English expressions with us. Until next time, stay curious and happy learning.